Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing how to safely secure your JPdrain for your patient. However, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tina, nurse practitioner. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Let's get started. You will come across a JPdrain. It could be in an inpatient setting, outpatient setting, even at home. Some patients are sent home with them. The reason for use is a JPdrain will help drain excess fluid after a surgery. However, the best way to use a JPdrain and to have more valuable information, I created a video that describes in detail how to properly empty your JPdrain. I will be sure to include the link above, and I will also be sure to include the link in the description. However, the parts of the JPdrain is here. So specifically for what I will be discussing is, with your JPdrain, you have a little handle here attached to it. You always want to make sure that you attach your safety pin. The safety pin is what you will want to secure to the inner part of the patient's gown. So that way, if they are walking, it doesn't get tugged on any other medical devices and it doesn't get dislodged. So this is the reason for this little handle here. I don't like to see the JPdrain hanging from the patient's abdomen and it's just kind of dangling around. It's that huge fear. I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't want it to come out. So always use this. Some patients that have had a mastectomy have a surgical bra that's specific for a mastectomy. They may come out with 4 JPdrains. Those surgical bras actually have hoops on them where you can attach it. So it's actually very clever, the manufacturer that made it, and very helpful for patients that have had a mastectomy. That would be ideal to use in that setting if it's available for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out one of my other videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.